Shall we stand this afternoon, mga kapatid? Good evening, everybody. Today is December 31, 2012, and we will do the commemoration of the Last Supper and feet washing. We will have a study first regarding the commemoration of the Last Supper and feet washing. Shall we open our Bibles? I-read niyo muna ang ating mga Bibles. We'll have the Lord's Supper. Makikita po ito. It can be found in Matthew chapter 26, verses 26 to 29. 26, verses 26 to 29. As I read it, in Matthew chapter 26, verses 26 to 29, please open your Bibles with me so that everybody can understand the commemoration of the Last Supper. Matthew chapter 26,